Hey guys, what's up? So today's video is more about the Subaru and me taking it to the track than anything. I got a couple runs. One was against a GTR, one was against a CR1 Corvette, and I don't remember the other one. I think I had 3 runs total, and I learned a lot. I definitely did. So here are the time slips. Can barely see them. Leave that there in case you guys want to pause it. Anyways, let me start with run 1. So this is where I had the launch control and the flat foot shifting at. This is what I ran, but I was having issues with the car on launch. Like when I would let the clutch out, it would kind of like spin or something. I don't know, it was weird. And then I believe my second run was this one. So my launch was decent, it wasn't that good. I had the launch control all the way down as before. Actually, I think I lowered it, and that's lower than I normally run. I think I run it at like 4700. Flat foot shifting I had at 5.7 or 5700 RPMs. So this was the fastest time I got, and here's what it is. So my RT, I need to improve on that, but 60 foot was 1.9, which was better, but I've seen the car do low 1.8s, so I can still shave off some time on there. And this one, the launch wasn't all that good, and again, it was the second run I take this car to the strip, or like drag strip, so I still need to do a lot of learning. And once I do that, with this mile per hour, I think the car, I think with like 120, I think I can hit 11 seconds, which is my goal for this car. Again, the car wasn't fully tuned. Yes, I was running it at my own risk, So third run, it was bad all around. I think I missed third gear, but still, for missing a gear, look at the mile per hour. And my launch was bad, as you can see. It's 0.4 slower than the fastest 60 foot that I have. And I had launch at 4700 and flat foot shifting at 5700.